Amazing devices that will make your life easier, more efficient, and way cooler. Stay tuned as we explore the best home gadgets for every room. And don't forget, check out the video description for links to all the featured gadgets. Meet the Hybrew H11 Coffee Maker, a compact yet powerful machine designed to bring barista-level coffee right to your kitchen. With 20 bars of pressure, it effortlessly extracts rich, creamy espresso, perfect for your favorite cappuccinos, lattes, or Americanos. This sleek, super slim design fits into any space and supports both ESE pods and coffee powder, giving you flexibility for every cup. If you're looking to keep your food fresher for longer, the Xiaomi vacuum sealing machine might just be the gadget for you. This compact, sleek device uses powerful vacuum technology to lock in freshness by sealing out air, which is ideal for everything from meal prepping to bulk storing. It's simple to use with one-touch operation, has multiple sealing modes for different foods, and even comes with reusable vacuum bags. Elevate your cooking experience with the Joyoung Cooking Machine Robot Electric Frying Pan. This innovative robot frying pan not only heats up quickly, but also features smart temperature control to ensure perfect results every time, whether you're searing meats or sautéing veggies. Its sleek design and easy-to-clean surface mean you'll spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your delicious creations. The incredible soybean milk machine and automatic intelligent food blender. This all-in-one appliance not only makes silky smooth soybean milk in minutes, but also doubles as a powerful food blender for soups, smoothies, and sauces. With its intelligent control panel, you can easily select different programs for various recipes, ensuring perfect results every time. Experience barista-quality espresso on the go with the Staresso Pro Mirage SP300. This sleek and compact device is perfect for coffee lovers on the go, combining advanced features with ease of use. With its unique design, you can brew rich espresso without needing a bulky machine or electricity. Just add your favorite ground coffee, hot water, and within minutes, you'll enjoy a delicious shot of espresso anywhere. Are you tired of wrinkles ruining your outfits? Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Garment Steamer 2. This sleek, portable steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups at home or on the go. With its powerful steam output, it easily smooths out the toughest creases on all fabrics, from delicate silks to sturdy cottons. The ergonomic design and lightweight build ensure comfort while you steam away. Looking for the ultimate in oral hygiene? The Tao Clean UV Sanitizing Sonic Toothbrush and Cleaning Station is your perfect solution. This smart toothbrush not only delivers powerful sonic vibrations for an effective clean, but it also uses UVC light technology to sanitize the brush head after every use, killing 99.9% of germs. The sleek cleaning station keeps your toothbrush protected and charged, ensuring it's ready to go for your next brushing session. If you're looking for the perfect combination of smart technology and quiet cooling for your bedroom, the Drio Tower Fan is your answer. This sleek, oscillating floor fan not only delivers powerful airflow, but does it with whisper-quiet operation, perfect for keeping your space cool while you sleep. With smart features like remote control, customizable modes, and a built-in timer, it's designed for ultimate convenience. K9 Crystal Solar System Planet Globe, a mesmerizing 3D laser-engraved model of our solar system. This crystal-clear globe beautifully captures each planet in perfect detail, suspended in space. Made from high-quality K9 crystal, it's the perfect decor piece for any science lover or space enthusiast. Whether it's lighting up your desk or becoming the centerpiece of your room, this globe adds an elegant, educational touch. Are you tired of dry air in your home? The Home Air Humidifier 1 liter is here to make a difference. This compact but powerful humidifier has a 1-liter tank that's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any cozy space needing a moisture boost. With its quiet operation, it ensures a peaceful environment while adding essential humidity to your air, helping reduce dryness that can affect skin, sleep, and overall comfort. Looking to monitor your home's climate effortlessly? The Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Temperature Humidity Sensor is the perfect solution. This compact device tracks real-time temperature and humidity levels, sending alerts directly to your smartphone via the Tuya Smart app. Whether you're at home or away, you can stay informed and adjust your environment for maximum comfort. Plus, it easily integrates with other smart home systems for automated actions like controlling your HVAC. It's simple, smart, and ensures your home stays just the way you like it. Meet the PetKit Pura Max Automatic Cat Litter Box. the ultimate solution for easy, hands-free cat care. This smart litter box automatically cleans up after your cat with advanced sensors, ensuring a fresh and odor-free environment at all times. It features a self-cleaning cycle that activates after each use, and with an app control, you can monitor your cat's health and manage settings right from your phone. Are you tired of messy soap spills and constant refills? Introducing the Aki Rechargeable Automatic Soap Dispenser. With its sleek design and touchless operation, this dispenser delivers the perfect amount of soap every time, keeping your hands and countertops clean. Simply charge it via USB and enjoy a long-lasting battery life for hassle-free use. Whether it's for your kitchen or bathroom, the Aki dispenser promotes hygiene and convenience, making hand washing a breeze. Introducing the Owen Black 180-degree rotation electric towel rack, the perfect combination of luxury and practicality for your bathroom. This modern towel rack not only heats your towels to give you that spa-like experience, but its 180-degree rotation feature allows for easy access and space-saving flexibility. With a sleek black finish and energy-efficient heating, it's designed to blend seamlessly with any bathroom decor. Looking for a hands-free, hygienic way to freshen up your breath? Meet the automatic mouthwash dispenser bottle. This sleek gadget dispenses the perfect amount of mouthwash with just a wave of your hand. No need to touch or pour. Simply fill the bottle with your favorite mouthwash and the touchless sensor does the rest. Introducing the Bee-Bird New Model, your high-tech solution for ear care. With its 30-second fast visual earwax removal, you can now clean your ears safely and efficiently at home. Featuring a high-definition camera and ultra-soft tips, it gives you a clear view on your smartphone while ensuring a gentle and precise experience. Perfect for the whole family, this smart device makes ear care easier and more hygienic than ever before. Looking for a quick and effective way to deal with mosquitoes? Check out the Xiaomi Electric Mosquito Killer Swatter. This sleek and powerful device zaps mosquitoes instantly with a single swing, thanks to its high-voltage grid. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and safe to use indoors or outdoors. Whether you're enjoying a BBQ or relaxing at home, say goodbye to annoying mosquito bites. Looking to upgrade your dental routine? Meet the FairyWheel P11 Sonic Whitening Electric Toothbrush, a powerful choice for a cleaner, whiter smile. With 62,000 brush movements per minute, the P11 removes up to 10 times more plaque than a manual brush, tackling stains for that fresh, polished look. It features 3 modes: clean, soft, and massage, making it ideal for sensitive gums or a deep cleaning experience. Say goodbye to smelly shoes with the Xiaomi Sothing Loop Stretchable Shoe Dryer. This innovative device effectively dries and deodorizes your shoes, eliminating bacteria and unpleasant odors. Its flexible design adapts to various shoe sizes, ensuring a thorough drying process. With its quiet operation and energy-efficient performance, the Xiaomi Sothing Loop is the perfect solution for maintaining fresh and hygienic footwear. VancoStar Laser Hair Removal IPL Epilator. Your ultimate self-care solution. This device combines hair removal, skin rejuvenation, acne treatment, and cooling technology in one sleek package. Featuring an easy-to-read LCD screen, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're targeting unwanted hair or improving skin tone, VancoStar makes it simple, safe, and effective. Hello to touch-free cleanliness with the Interhasa Automatic Foaming Soap Dispenser. This sleek, easy-to-use device offers hands-free convenience, perfect for your kitchen or bathroom. Its built-in sensor detects your hands from a distance, automatically dispensing a luxurious foam that lathers beautifully and saves soap. The Mini Smart Dental Anesthesia Injector, a game-changer in modern dentistry. Say goodbye to the anxiety of traditional needles. This sleek, smart device ensures precise, painless anesthesia delivery with advanced technology. Its compact design fits comfortably in the hand, making procedures smoother for dentists and more comfortable for patients. Are you looking for an efficient and convenient way to trim nose, ear, and facial hair? The Xiaomi Mijia Electric Nose Ear Hair Trimmer is here to help. This sleek and ergonomic trimmer is designed with precision in mind, featuring a high-speed motor and a hypoallergenic stainless steel blade that ensures a smooth, pain-free experience. Its waterproof design allows for easy cleaning, while the quiet operation makes it perfect for discreet use. Introducing the Baseus 3000 ACAR Jump Starter Power Bank, your ultimate on-the-go power solution. With an impressive 3000 ampere peak current, this compact device can jumpstart your car in seconds, even for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. But that's not all. It also doubles as a power bank to charge your devices with USB ports and a fast charging capability. Whether you're stuck with a dead battery or need extra power on the road, the Baseus 3000A has got you covered. Looking for a reliable, eco-friendly power solution? Meet the Bluetti refurbished AC 1801800 watts, 1152 watt-hours solar generator. This portable powerhouse offers 1800 watts of continuous output and a large 1152 watt-hour battery capacity, making it ideal for camping, emergencies, or remote work. With its quick solar and AC recharging options, you're covered whether you're on or off the grid. Looking for an affordable, easy-to-use home security system? The Karui G18 wireless alarm might be just what you need. This DIY-friendly system offers real-time protection with door and window sensors, a loud 115 decibel siren, and even a motion detector to cover key areas in your home. Plus, you can customize it with up to 99 zones and control it remotely via a smartphone app. We're checking out the Mojiedu Electric Lightning Air Pump Tire Inflator, a smart digital air compressor that's perfect for your bike, automotive, or car tires. Weighing just 480 grams, it's ultra-portable and rechargeable, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go tire maintenance. With its easy-to-read digital display, you can quickly set your desired pressure, and the automatic shutoff ensures accuracy every time. Are you tired of bulky, corded vacuums? Meet the Bosch Gas 18V-1 cordless vacuum cleaner, the perfect compact powerhouse for fast, hassle-free cleaning. Powered by Bosch's 18-volt battery, this lightweight vacuum delivers incredible suction to tackle dust, crumbs, and dirt on any surface, from carpets to hard floors, all without the restriction of a cord. Introducing the Baseus Azero Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner, your on-the-go cleaning companion. Keep your car spotless with this powerful and portable vacuum cleaner. Its sleek design and strong suction power effortlessly remove dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from every nook and cranny. With its long-lasting battery and convenient charging, the Baseus A0 Pro is the perfect tool for maintaining a clean and tidy car, anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to tedious pool cleaning with the Ciado Crab Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This innovative gadget effortlessly glides across the surface and dives deep to scrub away dirt, debris, and algae, all without the hassle of cords or hoses. With its intelligent navigation system, it efficiently covers every inch of your pool, leaving it spotless and inviting. Tactical flashlight that combines power and durability? Check the Nextorch TA30C Max High Power LED Tactical Flashlight. With an incredible 3000 lumens of brightness, this flashlight lights up the darkest environments with ease, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Its rugged design and long-lasting battery life mean you can count on it when it matters most. Whether you're on duty, in the wild, or in need of a reliable flashlight, the Nextorch TA30C Max is built to last. The Apple HomePod 2 is more than just a speaker. It's a powerhouse of smart technology designed to elevate your home audio experience. With advanced spatial audio, the HomePod 2 delivers immersive 360-degree sound that fills the room. It seamlessly integrates with all your Apple devices, allowing you to control your smart home, send messages, and stream your favorite music with just your voice, thanks to Siri. Plus, with improved sound quality, deep bass, and sleek design, it's not only a smart speaker but also a stylish addition to any room. This innovative gadget combines a sunrise simulation alarm clock with a fast wireless charger and an RGB night light. Wake up gently with customizable sunrise settings that gradually brighten to mimic natural light, helping you start your day feeling refreshed. Plus, it doubles as an intelligent atmosphere lamp with various color options, perfect for setting the mood. And if that's not enough, it features a Bluetooth speaker for your favorite tunes. It's the ultimate bedside companion for a modern lifestyle. Meet the iLix Smart Robot, your new interactive home companion. This adorable AI robot responds to your touch, plays games, and even expresses emotions, making it a delightful addition to any household. With its charming personality and interactive features, iLix keeps both kids and adults entertained while bringing a touch of whimsy to your day. Whether you need a fun friend to chat with or a unique decor piece, iLix is here to brighten your home. Looking for a sleek, modern way to wake up? The Mirror Digital Alarm Clock with LED display is your perfect bedside companion. Not only does it show the time with bright, easy-to-read numbers, but its mirror finish also doubles as a handy reflection for quick morning checks. It features adjustable brightness, a snooze function, and can be powered via USB, making it super versatile. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. And remember, you can find all the gadgets we featured today in the video description below.